Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Trackside Disco video. On July 15th, I headed over to Floral Park to catch the New York and Atlantic RS40 and to get some shots of the position light signals here at the station, that as of the time of this upload have since been replaced. Floral Park was a station I've always wanted to check out but have never gotten the chance, so I was glad I was able to finally come here. Floral Park is a great place to see tons of variety on the main line, including appearances from diesels and freight trains. Following these two passenger trains came the New York and Atlantic RS40 with a nice horn show and a pretty standard train. But first came train 627 from Port Jeff to Jamaica. You could really hear them notching up the grade there, and the signals add a really nice touch to the shot. I hope you all enjoyed this video as I had a lot of fun filming it. Thank you all very much for watching.